Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ginseng 5 Treasure Tea Easy Guide. First, measure 1 teaspoon per cup and warm your teapot or mug with hot water to preserve heat. Add the herbs and pour water at about 90 degrees C or just off boil for best extraction. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes, then strain and sip slowly to enjoy flavor and effects. Adjust steep time or herb amount to match your taste and sensitivity. Warm and conversational, this part walks you through steeping with confidence. Start with water just off boil and pour over measured herbs to avoid scalding delicate flowers. Set a timer for 3 minutes and sample, then decide if another minute suits your preference. If you re-steep, slightly increase the time to draw out subtle notes. These small adjustments help you find a cup that feels balanced and enjoyable every time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy tea tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps water cold, seals tightly, and makes heating or brewing on the go so much easier, especially when you want perfect temperature water for your Ginseng 5 Treasure Tea. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When serving, keep things simple to highlight the tea's layered flavors. Sip plain to notice ginseng and floral notes, or add a touch of honey if you prefer sweetness. Pair with light snacks like fruit or steamed buns to prevent overwhelming the palate. Drink in the morning for mild vitality or in the evening for a soothing cup that helps you wind down. Small rituals make each cup more satisfying and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.